All right, hello everybody. We are in Temecula now. We are going to be checking out a brand new NCS tunnel called Temecula Express Car Wash. Just opened a few weeks ago prior to shooting this video. Anyway, I know about this place thanks to SF Car Wash channel. He actually told me he went and visited a few weeks ago, as of when this was shot, like just after it opened. Chemistry wasn't quite dialed in there, according to what he said. So we're going to come back here today and see if that's changed, if I can even tell. Which I can see it right there. It has a lot of lights. I love the RGB lights already. I can already see what looks like a Pico drying, buff and shine drying material at the end. Can I use this lane? No, I can't. I gotta go in that lane here. Yellow. We got a silver, golden, platinum, which Rob is gonna get the platinum. What's up, man?
How's it going, boss? How you doing?
I'm doing all right.
So we are doing a grand opening special.
Okay.
Today is the last day. I do want to mention that as well. Instead of $31.99 for platinum, it will only be $16.
Okay.
For today, that would basically be like the same for a daily platinum wash.
Right. Not today. I'm actually not from here, so I'm not gonna do that. I won't be coming often to use it enough. You know what I'm saying? So that guy's name was Jesus, in case y'all missed it. Very helpful dude. So yeah, no complaints on the service here, that's for sure. That's a good start. Alright, let's see what we got going on here for a tunnel. I'll wait till he guides me in. Complimentary towel with the top wash, that's pretty cool. That was a very thorough wash. I love how... I honestly love how, like, between all the brushes it applies more soap. I've seen a lot of express tunnels don't bother doing that, or it doesn't work. Keeps the brush lubricated and really maximizes the scrubbing action in my mind. Yeah, very solid. Unfortunately, the car was actually not terribly dirty going in. But, I mean, that was thorough. I'm pretty sure you could get a decent wash out of that, no doubt. I can already see the gloss on the hood from in here. Looks great. Drying on the mirrors is subpar, but that's kind of a standard feature with automatics, unfortunately. Yeah, very, very nice. Chemistry really did seem dialed in my mind, but I'm not super knowledgeable on that. I'm sure SF will be on here correcting me if he thought it was different. One other thing I wanted to add, I realized I didn't add it to my final thoughts, and I probably should have, is I've totally forgotten that a wash like that could probably be valued or priced at $20, and they were only selling the top wash, single wash, for $16. I'm not sure if they're doing it so low because they just opened and they'll eventually raise it. But that wash was a very good value in today's market after inflation. $16 is actually quite a steal. I've seen a lot of places that were 16 go up to like 18 or 20. So that's a very good deal. And the top membership only being $36 is also a good deal, even though that's full price. Because again, something like that could be like $45 a month. I've seen some go up to $50 a month. So pricing there is really good as of right now. I'm not sure if they'll change it. But anyway, that's all I got, and that's it for real this time.